everyone, this is Winter Song. Today we are going to be making some of my Grandma Dolores's potato salad. So here we have all the ingredients that she puts in it. She taught me this when I was real small because I loved her potato salad. My grandma was a pretty good cook. And I also boil the potatoes and the eggs in the same pot. Both of them at the same time and they get done. Why not, right? And here we have the onions and the chopped up celery. I like the celery leaves, I don't know why, but they're just my favorite. I love using them. Now, after the potatoes have boiled, we are going to peel them. Now, you have to let them cool down, but they take forever to cool down, so I drain them and then I put some ice cubes in there because I literally was burning my fingers, but the ice cubes made everything much better. So it's a little tip in case those who have to wait a while and can't, sometimes you just got things to do. You don't have no time to be sitting there waiting for everything. So I put the ice cubes in and it worked. So we are going to continue to peel these potatoes. And of course I'm using a butter knife because I ain't trying to cut myself either. And it works pretty good, I've seen different things. I used to, when I was younger, cut the potatoes and everything in my hand and just do slice, and do the chopping the other way and then just cut. But just like the eggs, same thing. But, when you get older, you're just like, whatever. So here we are going to cut the potatoes okay, I cut them in half. Now, sometimes people cut them in thirds, like 3 times or 4 times. It depends on what size you want your potato cubes to be. I just did a bite size. I wasn't really worried about how big or how small. Everybody's preference is different. And this was like a last minute job. Like someone asked me to make this for a little get together and I was like, okay. So, So like I said, I do the eggs the same way. You can cut them in 3s, 4s, and you can cut them in your hand or you can just cut them on the cutting board like I'm doing. And then just chop them up how small. Some people save some of the eggs to make slice rings so they can put them on the top. If you want to do that, it's all good. I literally just, was doing this. It wasn't for like a really big event. It was just a last minute request. And I just got it done, But my grandma, she used to put her foot in every single dish she made. It was always good. So this potato salad was one of my favorite. Now, I think I got her beat on the fried chicken. I'm not even going to say, because I don't want my father and everybody to be mad at me. But I'm just personally saying, she used to make some slamming fried chicken until I started experimenting on my own. And when I did that, oh my gosh. I make so many different kinds. It is not even funny. I'm just happy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add all of the seasoning ingredients in. So I like using Golden's mustard, but you can use whatever mustard you want to. You don't have to use mustard at all if you don't want to. It's all up to you. The seasonings is all your preference too, but I just use what I like. Even though a lot of these ingredients are not from my grandma, of course I had to make it my own and tweak it to the way I liked it, but just make it your own. Do what you like, why not? That's like the whole purpose of creating and cooking, So after I finish putting up all of my seasonings in there, and literally it's not a lot of things, it's just basic things. It's just maybe like 2 things that are not basic. And then I'm going to stir all of these ingredients in first before I put the mayo, because I want these things to distribute in the potatoes first, you know, before you put the mayo, because I don't want the mayo to overwhelm the flavor that's going to be in the potatoes with the seasoning. Some people like their potato salad sweet, some people don't. You know, like I said, it's all your preference on how you like it. Okay, so now I have the mayo. Now, I know some people like a lot of mayonnaise. Like, I don't know. I put what's necessary. I don't like things that are dripping in mayo. Like when you go to the grocery store and you take the store-bought one and it's like drowning in mayo, like that's disgusting. I mean, I can't do it. But like I said, everybody has their preference, you know. Do you? So here I'm just going to finish mixing up all the mayo inside to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Yes, I put my gloves on. I had to get my hands in this. Like the spoon was like, nah. So now when you're done, you're going to sprinkle some paprika on top just to give it a pretty red color as usual. Normally people do this. And I like putting a little bit of parsley for a green pop. So that's what I did here. And this is potato salad. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. God bless you. Be a blessing to others. Bye-bye.